Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we dive into the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King. Marks a new chapter for one of the most iconic bikes in Harley's lineup. Known for its mix of classic styling and modern performance, the Road King has always been the bike for riders who want timeless looks with serious capability. This new CVO edition brings impressive updates to both aesthetics and performance, pushing the legacy of the Road King even further. Design and aesthetics. The CVO Road King has always been known for its premium finishes, but the 2025 model takes that reputation to new heights. The new CVO Road King is a masterclass in design, balancing vintage Harley elements with contemporary custom touches. It features a low, sleek profile with signature LED lighting and an elegantly shaped tank. Harley-Davidson's color options for 2025, including exclusive CVO paint schemes, give the Road King a look that's both bold and sophisticated. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CVO Road King is Harley's new Milwaukee 8-131V twin engine. This powerful 131 cubic inch engine provides a significant torque boost over previous models, allowing the bike to pull strongly at any speed. It's a thrilling yet refined ride, with advanced cooling technology keeping the engine running efficiently, even on long journeys. Combined with improved fuel injection and a new exhaust system, the Road King delivers a responsive throttle that Harley enthusiasts will love. Technology upgrade. While the Road King is often seen as a traditional cruiser, Harley's new CVO model includes cutting-edge tech that enhances both safety and convenience. The 2025 model introduces Harley's updated infotainment system, featuring a larger, full-color TFT display that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for navigation, music, and calls. The bike is equipped with Harley's advanced reflex defensive rider systems, offering enhanced traction control, cornering abs, and hill hold control, making every ride safer and more controlled. Comfort and ergonomics. Designed with long-distance comfort in mind, the CVO Road King has been fine-tuned for riders who love the open road. Harley-Davidson has redesigned the seat to provide enhanced support over long rides, while new adjustable rear suspension allows for easy customization of ride stiffness. The handlebar position has also been modified slightly for improved ergonomics, making the bike comfortable for riders of various sizes. Riding experience. The 2025 CVO Road King rides like a true Harley cruiser, with a confident and smooth feel that suits both city streets and highways. The improved frame geometry gives the bike more agility and responsiveness, so you can navigate tight corners with ease while still feeling stable at high speeds. Thanks to the new engine and transmission updates, shifting is smooth and seamless, with plenty of low-end torque for a powerful, controlled ride that Harley fans expect. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road King is an exceptional blend of tradition and innovation. It captures everything that's great about the Road King: a classic design, superior comfort, and thrilling performance while incorporating the latest technology and engineering advancements. For those who crave the unmatched style and performance of a Harley-Davidson, the 2025 CVO Road King sets a new standard in the cruiser world. This bike is more than just a ride. Thanks for joining BikeZone.